In today's video, I want to show you my favorite immune boosting shot recipe, which is very easy, very quick. I usually make it in the evening for myself and my boyfriend, and we drink it. It is a little shot, so not much. Taking care of our immune system and our overall health is important in every season, so this little shot is great for you in winter, in summer, or in autumn as well. Hello guys, I'm Agnes with the Bites Fitness YouTube channel, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel. And let's be friends on social media, on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter and on Pinterest. You can find us under the account name Bites Fitness, and of course you can find all the links in the description below. Let's see our immune boosting ingredients, okay? So first of all, we need a lemon. We need lemon zest, okay? And lemon is really great for your health, for your immunity. It is rich in vitamin C, just like other citrus fruits like grapefruit or orange. And it is great for digestion as well. Okay, we also have turmeric, which is a really powerful antioxidant. It is also great to reduce inflammation, it is great for your immune system, and we also need black pepper. And black pepper we only need for the turmeric to help absorb in our body, because turmeric is not easy to absorb in our system, so that's why we need black pepper in our little shot. And finally, we have some ginger, fresh ginger roots. I prefer fresh ginger and I grate it myself because it is also great for inflammation. It is great to improve blood flow in your system. It is great to reduce pain and for your overall health. And lastly, if you are in your adventurous mood and you are not going anywhere, you can also use some garlic because it is great for inflammation, it is anti-inflammatory, it is great for your digestion, it helps with a lot of benefits. It is actually a medicine hidden in a spice. So if you can use some garlic as well, now I won't use it, okay? So let's put this together. Let's put our immune boosting ingredients together. I already peeled off the skin of the ginger, and I also have all the other ingredients. I'm just gonna grate this ginger. Okay, we have our grated ginger. I will also cut this lemon and I will juice it and put the zest in here. I make this for two people, one for me and one for my boyfriend. So I put each half in a separate glass. I also put some turmeric, about half of a small spoon in each of them. Unfortunately, my turmeric is not fresh. You can also buy fresh turmeric roots, just as ginger, but I couldn't find any now. Just a little bit of black pepper to enhance the absorption of turmeric. And finally, I will put our grated ginger in here as well. And I like to use, for myself, I like to put warm water on this, but you can use cold water as well. And basically, let's just put some water in this, okay? About this amount. And I will put some hot as well. I will mix them a little bit. And they are ready, just like this. And you can drink up in the morning or in the evening. It is great for your immune system. Now I will drink this up. Okay, it's definitely spicy, but it's good. It's good for us. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't yet. And also please leave me a comment below, or if you have any questions or comment, I would love to answer you guys and chat with you. Okay? Thanks again for watching, guys. Bye! If you like this video, you can find similar ones next to me. Please click on them and watch them. And also please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't yet.